Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a sweet project. I made a bottle opener and I'm going to teach you how to do it. So you can make it out of any scrap wood that you find laying around the house. If you got a baseball bat and you're done banging somebody over the head with it, but you want a bottle opener on the bottom, I'm going to show you how to make it. Let's get on to the next step. I'm going to show you everything you're going to need. So let's get going.
So here's what you're going to need for this fun project. Some scrap wood, some sandpaper, your measuring tape, a 1-inch Forstner bit, a 1-inch washer, which is the same size as a bottle cap, a 1/2-inch screw to hold down the washer, a drill bit, a pencil, a bottle opener as an example, and your jigsaw.
Step one, we're gonna look for the material to see what we're gonna make it out of. I happened to drive by a pile of free wood, so I let the garbage man take a day off and I collected it all myself. Step two, what you're gonna do is lay out your design. This is unique to you. This I got inspired from a bar bottle opener because it has a simple, easy, sleek design. Step three is where you come into play. Done that, you cut it out completely. It could be a leaf or anything, depending on like a special party, whatever it is. So now what I'm going to show you is this inner workings here, what actually works to open a bottle, because I'm thirsty. So let's get going. What we got is overall measurement. I'm going to show it to you right here. You're going to make a line, okay, on one edge to the other edge. It's 1 3/4 overall, okay? You make that little line and then you stay within the parameters with your 1-inch Forstner bit. So to the one edge right here, this is where you start and this is where you start. So the first thing I did was worry about where the washer is going to go. So I drilled it down just so that the thickness of the washer was flush with my material, nice and clean. Once I did that and I was satisfied with that, then I moved on to my edge line that was 1 3/4, and I lined up my bit and I went down about half of the material. So you could even go a little less if you like. I gave it half so that I never have a problem when I'm opening the bottle. It'll always just fit in there and pop right off. So here's what I did. Now, once you do that, with the Forstner bit, there's a little divot when you drill. And so that's a perfect spot for your screw to find how to drill in. If you would like, so your wood doesn't split, you can pre-drill with a thin drill bit to just like remove some of the material. If it's a small, short bit like I'm using here, like a little screw, it doesn't take up a lot of material, then it won't do that. So let's see how it works. Now it's time to kind of just check it out and boom. Done. In, solid, looks good, very easy, very sleek, and it doesn't take a lot of work. One of the things I do want to cover on step 4, this is one of our last ones, and then we're ready to drink. Step 4, what you do is you could sand it, soften up the edges. If you're giving it as a gift, you don't want anyone to get splinters. I left it rough because I want it to be a rustic, rough bottle opener that could be in a barn or camping or out in the elements. I like this look. So guys, now we're gonna try to see if this actually works. Let's see if it opens a bottle. So it's really cool. Let's hang it over. It actually holds onto it really tight with plenty of space, and it gives you leverage easy. It popped off or ripped it, yanked it right out. I love it. Let's go. All right, so listen, I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys come up with, and I'm happy to do this kind of stuff, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks so much.
Stay tuned for more videos.